Woman buys out entire store to donate shoes to flood victims. The recent graduate of Kansas Fort Hays State noticed Payless was going out of business and offered to buy the 8 had left. Tritt said Tritt then gave the shoes to people impacted by the if. Nebraska Governor Pete Ricketts said farmers are bearing the brunt of the Tritt's small act of kindness offered a bright light in an otherwise devastating situation.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, pot.